Use honey first for a cough. This video is a summary of the article appeared in the BBC website. Honey and over-the-counter medicines should be the first line of treatment for most people with coughs, new guidelines recommend. Antibiotics should rarely be prescribed by doctors for coughs because in most cases they do little to improve symptoms, health officials say. Most of the time a cough will improve on its own within 2 to 3 weeks. The new recommendations for doctors are intended to help tackle the problem of antibiotic resistance. Overusing antibiotics is making infections harder to treat, by creating drug-resistant superbugs. A hot drink with honey, and often with lemon and ginger as well, is a well-known home remedy for coughs and a sore throat. Now new proposed guidelines from the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence (NICE) and Public Health England (FE) say there is some limited evidence that it can help improve cough symptoms. Cough medicines containing pelargonium, guaifenesin or dextromethorphan might also be beneficial, they say. Patients are being advised to use these treatments and wait for symptoms to improve on their own, before going to a GP. Most coughs are caused by viruses, which cannot be treated by antibiotics and will clear up on their own. Yet despite this, research has previously found that 48% of UK GP practices have prescribed antibiotics for a cough or bronchitis. Check symptoms. However, the guidelines recommend that antibiotics may be necessary for a cough when it is part of a more serious underlying illness, or when a person is at risk of further complications, such as those with chronic health conditions or weakened immune systems. Honey is not recommended for children under the age of 1 because it occasionally contains bacteria that can cause infant botulism. If you are interested in more information, we recommend you visit our website, where you can find a series of ebooks that you can download for free. You just have to click on the link in the description.